Well, ladies and gentlemen, before we hit the road, it's time to feed the beast. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and we are finally leaving the Gower. So we spent a couple of days here, we've done a couple of trips, and now we're going to head off to the waterfall at Melincourt. Oh yes, Melincourt Waterfall. About time we did one of these. I haven't done a waterfall yet proper, so yeah, looking forward to this one. So as Wales hits me with another day of bad weather, I put the thoughts of the all behind me and concentrated on what was ahead, driving through all this rain. Little did I know, this was the start of something that would plague me throughout the Welsh part of my trip. A little thing called Storm Agnes. Ah, well guys, we've arrived. And it is absolutely chucking it down now. Absolutely slaughtering it down. I think you can see from the footage on the Mario and Luigi cam that weather's bad. Wales, you're not doing me proud. You're not doing me proud. So I'm going to sit around for a bit, wait for it to die off a touch. And then we're going to go out and get wet. Oh yes, love it. Well, I'm sure you're wondering, where is it I'm at? Well, Melincourt Waterfall is at Resolven in Wales, which is between kind of Brecon and the Gower. So it's kind of halfway between the two. Pretty decent stop. Now we've been having this rain, and this is the river, and it is absolutely gushing. I'm below the waterfall now. This is absolute torrent. So when we get up to this waterfall, I've got a funny feeling it might be just too severe to handle. I don't know. Suppose we better get on and have a look. So I was looking at one of the signs down there, and this is called Melincourt Brook. That's a hell of a brook. Wow. That is flowing like you wouldn't believe. The good news is though, it's only about a 15-minute walk, which for a photographer, there's waterfalls everywhere. For a photographer is about 3 hours. If that's happening all the way up this walk, then yeah, it's no wonder that thing's a torrent. Well, there's a lot of fallen trees along this stretch of the brook. Hopefully there's none up at the actual waterfall itself. That could be a photo opportunity ruiner. Oh, look at it all dripping off this moss, man. Oh, wow, man. You gotta check this out. I'm telling you, I can see the haze from here. This is absolute floods. Noah's Ark has got to be parked at the bottom of this one. Oh man. Okay, Here we go. Just in there. Oh wow, man, hopefully I brought you further back enough so you can hear me on this. It's phenomenal. Wow, that is some force coming down there. I'm telling you, if you were to fall in that, I reckon you'd be back down at the bottom in about 20 seconds. Wow. I don't think I can get a photograph. That little bit of walk that I just did with you guys, I'm soaked, absolutely saturated. The mist coming off of that is phenomenal. Right, here's the plan. I'm just going to go handheld, take shots, wipe, take shots, wipe. I just hope I get something out of this. I think we might be doing some woodland in a bit. So normally when I'm doing waterfalls, I like to slow down the speed on the shutter so that I get some nice streaking in the water. I don't think I can get my camera to go fast enough to get the same effect on this. That's amazing. So just when you think that it's all over and you're going to come away with no images, the photography community kicks in. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is a chap called Dave Spencer, and he happened to turn up at the point I was there, and thanks to him, he saved my bacon. He gave me a tip that told me to go up to the top section where there were other waterfalls, and that's where I get my shots. So thanks to you, Dave, appreciate it very much. And everyone who's watching this, check out Dave's Instagram. It's on the screen and there'll be a link in the description below. Thank you, Dave. It's impossible. Was that gushing as well?
Yeah, it's insane, yeah.
Wow. It'd be alright if you could get far enough away.
Yeah, the other fall at the top of the good.
Oh, it's not good.
So if
Well, I'll let you have it. Good luck. I hope you do a damn sight better than me, because I think I've got nothing. Well, I am drenched, and as you can see, there's not a droplet of rain in sight. So this is what the waterfall usually looks like, apparently. So, armed with my new knowledge of a great location to go, I set off in search of these wonderful waterfalls. And in typical fashion, I think I went the wrong way. But then, that's kind of what I do. Not here. Not sure I can come in the right way. Well, there's certainly a river running down there, so keep following a river. You either get to the top of the river or you find the waterfall. I think I found them. Hopefully this is coming through over this phone with all that noise. Oh, these are gushing as well. But thank you anyway guys for the tip, much appreciated. It's nice to bump into some other photographers, it's quite a friendly community. Well, I've scrambled my way over to this section of the waterfall. That was a bit dodgy, yeah, I got to admit. But never mind, I'm here. Hopefully I can get back. This is pretty impressive, guys. I'm telling you now. It's definitely worth the scramble. So I've got a composition I like set up, and I'll put that on the screen for you now. So I think I'm going to set up and do one from a lower perspective on this shot. Same shot again, just a slightly different angle. And this will have been worth a walk. That was a little bit more treacherous than I wanted it to be. It didn't have to flow down there, you know. It'd sweep your feet away like you wouldn't believe. Now I just got to find my way back. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Hope you enjoy the images. Bye for now.